So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra. I was just discussing about the neural pathways. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we want to study a simple concept of physics, Newton's second law, let's say. So it states that suppose there is a body of mass m, it is moving with a certain velocity v and has a certain momentum p. So Newton's second law states that the force acting on the body is equal to the rate of change of linear momentum of the body. Suppose we want to learn this thing. So when we want to learn this thing, then there is involvement of two things here. First is the brain and second is the mind. So learning anything is basically related to the brain and the mind, and obviously their coordination, that how they connect, how they talk, how they communicate with each other. And this communication deals with the brain waves. So fundamentally there are three dimensions of learning: the brain, the mind, and the connecting link between them, which are called the brain waves. And these brain waves can be categorized into 5 things, which are alpha, beta, gamma, delta and theta, where delta corresponds to the lowest frequency and gamma corresponds to the highest frequency. So this coordination between brain and mind is a game of frequencies of the brain waves, and there is a switching mechanism involved. Suppose you want to learn this thing, then initially what you need to do is that your mind-brain system is reacting to certain thoughts of consciousness. So for learning anything, first of all, you have to take your focus away from the consciousness to the domains of the unconsciousness. And the best method to do that is free visualization. So if we try to develop a mechanism for learning, then the first thing is drift from conscious to the unconscious mind. And this drift involves certain visualization. And that certain visualization change the way how we feel things.